and I want to get a couple of fake bakes done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my light buttermilk and a piece of styrofoam that was packing styrofoam from something I bought. And we're going to make a little kind of patriotic little cake. I'll be doing a few other things too for the 4th coming up. So let's put a little bit of our paint down on our parchment. And again, I've quartered my parchment paper. Okay. I will paint all sides of it. And as you can see, it's kind of a vanilla looking color. And I'm doing this because I'm going to be doing white frosting, because we're going to be putting strawberries and blueberries on the top. That'll be pretty. I like this, it has texture. And this is like a piece that would have been cut from a sheet cake. That's the kind of cakes I usually make if I'm really making a cake, either that or a bundt. So I'll be back once I'm done painting this, and then we'll start piping the frosting on. Okay, we are going to frost this little piece of sheet cake. Go lay down, go. You've eaten, go. And I'm going to go ahead and put the icing all over, but then come back because we're going to put some of our fruit. Okay. No, actually, what I'm going to do, okay, so what I'm going to do is just come here and frost it with the spackle, and I have white paint in this spackle here, just like you would a sheet cake, you know. Angie's eating. I don't know if you can hear her. Sometimes I think I have my sweet Bella back in Angie because Bella used to always, invariably, when I was doing a video, she'd come into the kitchen and start eating. Finally, I just gave up trying to tell her to hold off. Okay, so it's... Are you almost done, Angie? Okay, so now I'll put the lid back on that. Okay, now I want to decide what I'm going to put on this, because I want it to be kind of patriotic, if you will. You know, like, Okay. Like I said, I'm just touching these up. This one has more purple. I'll put a little purple. What I do is I put this midnight blue, I think it's midnight blue, and I'll show you in a minute. And I usually mix them. Note to self, don't put these in together. That's thick. I gotta put some water in there. I used to have acrylic paints, and I would have them literally for years, and I'd open the bottle and it would be just like it was when I bought it. For some reason, the ones I get now, they dry out really quick. So I don't know what the heck's going on. Okay. Probably just leave it like this since it's a 4th of July type thing. I'm not going to wear the purple tonight. I'm just going to paint these. Not a big deal. Okay, we're going to let that dry and then we'll put them together. Okay, so I want to be patriotic. I mean, the colors, but I have to kind of go over these because they kind of stuck together. So that's why I brought my paints down. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my raspberries and my blueberries and a couple. Well, I'm going to see which ones I want and I'll bring them back. So, I can't lift them, but I touched up just the little parts where they touched and the paint came off. So these are drying. Then, these I didn't have to touch up. Then I have my blueberries. I got to touch those up. These I'm just going to put to the side because I don't know if I'm going to put leaves in there. I'm not sure yet. But it'll be cool because the white, okay, the frosting is white. Then you have the red and the strawberries and the blue and the blueberries. That'll be cool. So I'll be back. Okay. So we have to touch up our fruit on our cake. Isn't that cute though? So I just got out a little bit of red. And it's not the same red, I don't care, because I'm just, look at that mess, doggone it. I'm just taking care of the little nicks in here, if you will. That's all I'm caring about right now. I already did the blueberries. Now I just need to get the raspberry. I always have baby wipes in my craft room, always. Looks like a massacre here. Look at this. This I'm just using raspberry. Now this I did use for these, I remember that. Okay, it's done. That's all I'm going to do. We'll put this on a little plate and I'll bring you down closer.